we're asked to calculate the percent composition of this compound. Remember, percent is the part over the whole times the 100%. The whole refers to the entire molecule, the formula weight, and the part's going to be the mass of each element. So we're going to find the mass percent of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen in this molecule. And take heed, we're trying to help you out here. Make sure you report your answers to the nearest 0.1%. So, for example, the percent carbon is going to be the mass of carbon in 1 mole divided by the mass of an entire mole times 100%. So there's 6 carbon atoms. 6 times 12.01 divided by the formula weight multiplied by 100% is going to give us our mass percent carbon. We make sure that we round to the nearest 0.1%, and this is 58.5%. We'll continue with the other elements. And we're done.